Are you making some dinner?
Dinner.
Did you put cinnamon on it? Oh, you put it on. Very good. Can you take it off? Yeah, you do. It's hard. Where's the soup? Where's the hot soup? Yeah, did you make good soup? Can you mix it? I'm putting cinnamon on. Oh, good. Cinnamon for everybody. Cinnamon soup. That sounds good. How about some cinnamon for Dada's bowl? Right here. Cinnamon for Dada's. Declan, do you need a new diaper?
No.
You need Declan new diaper?
No.
Really? It's very good how you take that on and off. Shake the cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon. You made a very good dinner. I liked it. It was yummy. We made chicken, soup with pepper, tea. What else do we have?
Tea.
We had tea. It's hot. We had to blow on the tea. Yeah. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
No.
No? No bye-bye?